CCSP exam is vendor neutral, and it is. We want to get a good understanding of cloud storage offerings, so we're going to use Google Cloud Platform as our prototype. Now again, it's not important to remember the different names of the services, but the features that they offer, the solutions, those are important to know for the exam. So let's look at Google Cloud Storage, object storage for companies. We call this blob. Store any type of data, raw data, any amount of data, and then retrieve it as often as you'd like. This can be used as the back-end storage content for streaming videos or streaming audio, image and web asset libraries, and data lakes. The next category is block storage. We also call this volume storage. It's called Google Persistent Disk, and it's fully integrated with Google Cloud products like their compute engine and Kubernetes. These are virtual disks for virtual machines. It's used for sharing read-only data across multiple VMs. It's rapid, durable backups of running virtual machines and storage for databases. For example, MySQL. There's also what's called Google Local SSD, SSD being solid-state drives. This is ephemeral, locally attached block storage for virtual machines and containers. This is used for high-performance computing. It's ephemeral, so if you stop the instance or you terminate it, you lose the data on the local SSD. This is for flash-optimized databases, hot caching for analytics, temporary files, and applications scratch disk. The archival storage is Google Cloud Storage, ultra-low-cost archival storage with online access speeds for backups, archival of media, long-tail content, and to meet regulation or compliance requirements like keeping your IRS tax records for 10 years or medical records for 7 years. Google File Store is a fully managed service for file migration and storage, where you can easily mount file shares on compute engine virtual machines. This is good for data analytics, for data rendering and media processing, application migrations, and managing of web content. There's a couple of data transfer services. The official data transfer service is a tool to help you perform this task, either from another cloud provider like AWS or from your own private data center, collecting research data, moving machine learning and AI training data sets, or migrating from AWS S3 to Google Cloud. There's also the transfer appliance. This is a ruggedized server